Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today what I'm going to be showing you is another plant that I've got for you all, and I've started growing it on already, but I'm going to show you what's happening with it. These are called Eddoes or elephant ears. I planted these, I've put these in a plastic bag and I've put them in the cupboard. They've been in my airing cupboard for 2 weeks now. This is, I've put two. This is the first one, and you can see it's starting to sprout already. When you buy them, I brought these from my greengrocers, so these are always available. I was trying to see if I could find any what sprouted already, but I didn't find them, so I just had to buy the plain ones like this. And I've put them in an airing bag and in a plastic bag and put them in the airing cupboard. Some people say that you're meant to put them in water, but then a lot of people say that when you do that they go rotten. So I've just put them in a big plastic bag and put them in another bag and hang them up in the airing cupboard and left them. So that's what's happened with that one. This is number one of them. These were both done at the same time. I think they've been done at separate times, so some grow quicker than the others. This is the second one. As you can see, this one's got more nodules. I let my cameraman, and it's got the roots what started to come from the top, which is what this one should have been done because they were both planted at the same time. I've never planted these before, but like I said, giving everything a try for you all to see what we can grow, what's different over here. I think this is more going to be like in a big pot in my polytunnel or in the greenhouse. I'm going to put these in a big pot, but I don't know which way up they go at the moment. If they go that way up, which is the cut part at the top, or if they go that way, because I'm not sure if these little green things are the leaves what's going to be coming out. But I think you get all these nodules, you get the root systems from there as well. These are Eddoes or elephant ears, or what most people call them. You see they've got the nice root system. So some things, like I said, not everything will grow, but this one's grown and this one's just starting for some reason. They were both planted at the same time. I don't know if I should spray them with water and condensate the bag a bit, but I'm going to give them another till the end of the month. Just leave them in the bag till the end of the month and see what happens, and then I'm going to just, whether this one's grown or without roots or not, then I'm just going to pot them and get them going. So if you want to plant Eddoes, you just get a plastic bag like this or a smaller one, put them in there, make sure there's some air in the bag, fold them over and then put them in another bag. If you've got an airing cupboard or anywhere what's warm, what's always a constant warmish temperature, then you can put them in there and get them going. So that's what your Eddoes are like. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. If there's anything other than these Eddoes or anything that you've seen in the shop or anything and you know that we can get the seeds or anything from it, let me know and I'll see if I can get hold of it. I'll plant them on from now and then see if I can get them going, and then I'll try and put things in the polytunnel for you all and we can see how they grow over the season. So this is a root vegetable, so how big the plant gets, I've seen some, you can get different varieties of this, but I don't know which variety this one is because this is from the shop. Some of the leaves get big and some leaves are small, so if it's I've got the space in the polytunnel now. That's why I've done the polytunnel, and I've done a separate greenhouse to put smaller exotic plants in. But I know these ones are big, so I can put these on the ground or something in the polytunnel and then let them do their own thing. I only just have to make sure I've got the big pots for them, which I've got some in the garden. I'm going to get some more containers to take up to the allotment, but I've got to put my name on them. I just hope no one don't come and help themselves to them. But please like, share and subscribe. Trying to build up the numbers so we can get to where we want, then I can bring you better and more content. I'm trying to help everyone along. I don't know it all. I know there's a lot of gardeners that know more than me, but this is what the Eddoe is come to. So I'm going to put these back in the bag and hang these back up in my airing cupboard for another couple of weeks, and whatever they are like, then I'm going to get maybe one of those. I'm going to get some of the big like a 20-gallon container or so, and then put them in that. Not 20-gallon, 20-litre, sorry, and put them in there and then see what they come out like throughout the growing season. If they're root or anything, then we will know. Even if it makes a nice plant or something, then at least we know that it's grown over here. Maybe the climate might be different, but we'll give that a try. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.